In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tag in a GitHub repository. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just dipping your toes into the world of version control, understanding how to manage and organize your code with tags is an essential skill. Let's dive right in and make it as straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll want to have your GitHub repository open. This means logging into your GitHub account and navigating to the specific project repository you want to tag. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to create a release in this repository, as this will allow you to move forward without any hitches. Once you're inside the repository, turn your attention to the top menu. Here you'll find a tab labeled Releases. Click on this tab to proceed. Releases in GitHub serve multiple purposes, but for our focus today, they provide a convenient way to manage different versions of your code with tags, which represent specific points in the project's history, making it easier to track changes and collaborate with others. Next, you'll see an option labeled Draft a New Release. Click on this to start the process of creating a new tag. Drafting a release is crucial because it not only lets you create a new tag, but also lets you add contextual information about what this release entails, enhancing the clarity and organization of your project. Now, you'll see a field labeled Choose a Tag. This is where you'll enter a new tag name. Picking a clear and descriptive name is helpful. For instance, you might choose something like v1.0 if this is your project's first version, or v2.1.3 for more detailed versioning. Remember, the tag name is a significant identifier for this point in your project's lifecycle, so clarity is key. After choosing a tag name, you'll move on to adding a release title. The release title should succinctly convey what this release or tag is about. Are there significant updates, new features, or important fixes? The title should give anyone who sees it a quick idea of what to expect. Along with the title, it's beneficial to add a detailed description. Describe what's new, any changes made, and other relevant information. The description not only aids in documentation, but is also a valuable reference point for anyone exploring your code in the future. Once you've filled out the necessary fields with the tag name, title, and description, the final step is to click Publish Release. This action solidifies the creation of your new tag. And just like that, GitHub will automatically create the tag for you. It's now associated with the commit that was most recently added to the branch you're currently working on. By mastering tagging in GitHub, you're taking control of your project's history, making it easier to share, maintain, and grow your codebase effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.